Hi. So for coming to the gate, so we cannot cover all the concepts that are to be covered in gate. So if you are really able to cover those all the topics related to gate, you can able to cover. But I cannot remember all the concepts for that particular subject. So now I will tell there are some important topics coming to the gate for each subject so that if you go through that concept, you can able to score maximum marks in a score in a GATE exam. So for in this video, I will discuss some important topics which are present in computer networks. So we will see what are the important topics that are present in computer networks for GATE. So here these are the important topics which are required for GATE in computer network subjects. So you can go through these important topics. Now, let us see what are those topics. So, first one, OSI and TCP IP models. So, this OSI and TCP IP models is one of the most important topics in computer networks for GATE computer science students. So, definitely one person will repeat every year from this topic. So, don't leave this topic. This is one of the important topics. Next one, layer-wise functions and protocols. So these layer-wise functions and protocols are also very important because the theoretical question will come from this topic. They don't ask any uh, problematic questions from this. They will ask theoretical questions from this concept like match the following type. So go through this second topic. Next one is comparison between OSI and TCP IP models. So this is also a third important topic in computer networks. So MSKs are MSKs may be possible from this topic. So don't miss this topic. So definitely the MSK types of questions are possible from this topic. So it is also the important topic. So next one, encapsulation and decapsulation process. So you focus on encapsulation and decapsulation process. Next one, data link layer. So questions are also asked from this data link layer. So don't skip this concept. So because from the past 30 years, from every concept, the question has been asked. So you cannot skip this process. You cannot skip this concept because the question will definitely come. But we don't know what type of question will they ask. They may ask theoretical question, they may ask numerical question, they may ask MCQs. So we can't expect. So follow this concept. Next one, framing, error detection, and correction. So this is also important topic in computer networks. You need to focus on this also, like parity and PRC, cyclic redundancy check. So this cyclic redundancy check is also very important topic, and it's most famous topic in this concept. Next one, flow and error controls protocols. So flow and error control protocols are one of the most important topic in computer network because every year they will definitely ask one or two questions from this topic. So um, so every year definitely you can able to see one question from this topic. So without this question from this topic, there is no computer network paper. So like there are some flow and error control protocols like stop and wait, go back and select to repeat. So go through these concepts, learn the concepts, and you can able to easily answer the question in the GATE exam. It is also important and it is also very easy to solve. Next one, MAC protocols like ALOFA, CSMA-CD or CSMA-CA. So it is also one of the important concept in computer network. So go through this concept also. Next, network layer. So network layer also very important. So coming to network layer, there are some important topics like IP addressing. So definitely there are one or two questions must be present in the GATE exam paper from this from this IP addressing. So without question of IP addressing, they will not prepare any they will not prepare this paper. So definitely you can able to see this IP addressing for every year. So from the last 30 years, they are consistently the question he has been asking from this topic. So don't skip this concept. So if you skip this topic, you will lose definitely 1 or 2 marks. So like IP addressing, IPv4, IPv6, subnetting, supernetting, and CARE. So among these, they we they may ask any of the questions from this topic. So you have to focus this topic from network layer. Next one, routing algorithms like distance vector routing, link state, and Dijkstra algorithms. These are the very important algorithms. So we have to focus on this. So from this, MSQs are possible because fewer times are asked MSQs from this topic. So if you want to score well from MSQs from computer networks, focus on these routing algorithms. So from routing algorithms, one numerical is possible and also MSQs are definitely possible. So if you don't want to miss MSQs, focus on this topic also. Next one, ICMP, ARP, RARP protocols. So these are also very important topics from the network layer. Next one, transport layer. So from transport layer is also important topic in here. So um, every year they will ask questions from transport layer like theoretical question, numerical question, and MCQs. So for every year the question will vary from topic to topic. It means based on the IITs, they will change the paper. It means some one IIT will ask theoretical question, one IIT will ask numerical question, and one IIT will ask problematic question. So based on the IITs, the question vary. So next one, TCP versus UDP. It is also an important topic. We need to be know this also. Next one, congestion control. So from this congestion control, you need to know A and B, slow start, fast retransmit, or recovery. So these are the important topics in congestion control. Next one, flow control. So sliding window protocol. This is one of the most important topic in flow control mechanism in computer networks. So focus on this important topic. So from this problematic question will be coming. Problematic question will come from this topic in the exam. Next one, application layer. So coming to application layer, there are some important topics. So first one is DNS, HTTP, FTP, SMTP, Telnet. So these are the first important points, important concepts. So theoretical question will come from this topic. So focus on these topics: DNS, HTTP, FTP, SMTP. Theoretical question will be asked from this concept. So you will not miss any question what they ask from this topic. So focus on this. Next one, client server and peer-to-peer models. So it is also one of the important models from computer networks. Next one, basics of cryptography and network security. So I think this is also important. Most probably, rarely they will ask from this topic. So better to focus on this topic also. Next one, software programming basics, conceptual questions. So from this topic, they will ask only conceptual questions. So you need to focus on numerical and problematic. So they will ask only conceptual questions from this topic. Next one, understanding of port numbers and connection setup. You need to know this topic also. So next one, quality of services and multimedia network. So these are advanced topics. In rare cases, they will ask the questions from these topics. So better to cover these topics also. If you want to score good marks, you have to go through these concepts also. Next one, concepts like latency, jitter, bandwidth, and traffic shaping. So these are also important topics in computer networks. So if we cover all those important topics from this computer network subject, definitely you score maximum marks from this subject. So go through these concepts. So go through these topics, focus on these topics, practice each and every question from this topic so that you will not miss any marks from this computer network subject. So if you want to score well in computer networks subject in computer science. So you have to focus on this important topic. So what I have taught right now, you have to focus on this. So if you focus on this concept, definitely you will score good marks in computer network. Hope everyone understood. So if you are really loved this session and like this video, please like, share, and comment. And also, if you have any doubt on this subject, please do comment on the comment section so that I will give reply to them. So thank you for watching. Bye.